Loughborough University currently wastes over £130 a year through wasted PLA 3D printing material. Whilst only a little bit of plastic is wasted from each reel, this quickly adds up. My job was to change that. My objectives? To research, find and test methods of joining PLA filaments together, to design and develop a functioning prototype to do this, and to analyse the PLA microstructure for any potential adverse joining effects. All this in 6 months. Here's how I did it. Step 1. Research. Websites, journals, books, any relevant literature on PLA and how to join it. Step 2. Concepts. I used the process outlined in this book, but you could use any. Sketches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ideas on joining through adhesive, friction and heat. To select the final concept, I put all of these into a morphology matrix and evaluated based on a set of criteria. Step 4. Design. For this, I used NX11 to bring my concept to life. Step 5. Build. 3D printing, CNC machining, turning, cutting, drilling, soldering, programming, all used in the prototype. And this is it. Here's how it works. First, reels get loaded. Filament goes in, filament gets aligned and clamped. The red button engages the heater to join the filament, and this LED shows you it's working. When it's too hot to touch, this LED goes out, just wait for it to get to temperature, wait for it to cool down, and job done. Okay, so there's a couple of bits that don't work so well. Number 1, the clamps don't flex enough to clamp the filament, so the filament can move a little bit. Number 2, the Arduino code isn't quite finished yet, and it also needs a laptop to power it. Number 3, and probably the most important one, the heater heats up too much of the filament. It gives it a deformed shape, and it means that it can't be used in a 3D printer. But I think that with some adjustment and application of heat to a smaller join area, and maybe some filament insulation, this can be fixed. So, back to my objectives. Well, the prototype doesn't work entirely as intended, and the microstructure analysis didn't give me any indication on the polymer microstructure. But I've learned an incredible amount through this project. I've built and designed a prototype that I'm thoroughly proud of. I've proven to myself exactly what I can accomplish in 6 months. It's certainly a lot more than I thought I could.